What's up, guys? What's up? Good morning, TGIF. Another beautiful morning in Florida. What do you guys think? Supercharged, all-wheel drive. You guys like this? You know, we do a lot of cars, guys. We do a lot of cars. Usually R&D cars or stuff we want to do. Like, if, for example, this car, it was all motor. We dynoed it. Two-wheel drive. Then we dynoed it with the all-wheel drive system hooked up, and yeah, it made the power 300, and now it's supercharged. What do you guys think about a giveaway? I'm gonna explain that to you guys in a minute right here. You guys like that? That's our Bill R32. I'm gonna do some more, little bit more explanation for you guys, what we have in store, the future, more R&D, you know. So for all you guys that didn't know, our all-motor Bumblebee is now supercharged.
Trying to get like 12 pounds. So we change out this pulley here to a 2.75, and we change the bottom one to a 7-inch pulley.
So the crank is changed, this pulley's changed, so we're trying to get as much, you know, much boost as we can on it. So we got this one. Also, guys, check this car right here. This car used to be Chad's. This is actually a DC2 with a full. This has a full Type R swap, and we're gonna be pulling the motor out. We're gonna leave the turbo kit and everything, guys, but we're gonna put an LSV Tech in this car. I just want to know, what do you guys think? We're gonna do a giveaway on this car, right? So it's gonna be all-wheel drive, LSV Tech turbo, B20 VTEC. This is going to be supercharged, K-swap, K24, stock bottom end, built head, a lot of custom stuff. You're going to see that in the description. Also guys, titanium is same color as that. It's an EG hatch, belongs to one of the owners, MyLynh. MyLynh's, that's Sone's wife. So just to let you guys know, most of these cars that we get in the shop, we do a lot of stuff that, as I told you guys before, a lot of R&D, a lot of stuff that's on our minds, you know, stuff to just, you know, improve and show you guys what the all-wheel drive can do. And it eventually comes down to eventually have a lot of cars, you know, and we have to really like get rid of some of these cars. So we're planning on doing a giveaway, right, son? Try to give away some of these cars, and just to make more room for new chassis, new development. A lot of you guys are asking us for the TSX, the Accords, the TL, the CL, a lot of cars.
Yeah, it's kind of hard since we have all these cars to push in and out. That's what most of the time is taking so much time. It's like by the time we push it in and out, it's so hot here in Florida.
Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, very hot. So with that said, guys, I mean, we have a decent sized shop, but as you can see, it's a continuous R&D, continuous work, and we have to make room. Over the years, if we're going to keep on doing this for you guys, we have to make room. So as progress and time goes on, we have to, like, as soon as we make these cars, we have to, you know, do a giveaway to try to, you know, hopefully the best man wins. Because we could easily sell it, you know, bring a trailer or whatever website, but we'd rather do a giveaway so that everybody has somebody that can't buy these cars can, you know, donate a small amount to try to win the car, right, Sang?
Yeah, no, definitely. Also, you're getting a R&D car most of the time, you know?
Yeah. all personal R&D cars. So when you get these cars, it's kind of like guys, if Michael Jordan win a game and he signs it. It's like, you know, I'm not trying to say we're number one in the all-wheel drive game, but we're trying to do our best. And some of these cars, if you get it from us, it's R&D. We'll put our best into it. Like all the cars that come into the shop that we have to convert to all-wheel drive, we'll put our best into it. But our R&D cars is like the cars that's here for like extended period of time, and we try to like improve upon the chassis and everything. So just want to let you guys know that, you know, at least 3 cars are going to be in this giveaway that we're planning on doing. The DC2 V20 VTEC all-wheel drive turbo, K-swap supercharged, and also an EG titanium. That's MyLynh's personal car. And also guys, just want to let you know that starting today, August 2nd through August 18th, we're going to be doing a summer sale just for a lot of people, because we know, number one, we know a lot of people, the all-wheel drive components, sometimes it adds up and a lot of people really can't, you know what I mean, the full price. So we're doing a sale. That's why we do so many sales, guys, every now and then, because we know this and we listen to you guys complaints and advice and everything. So every chance we get to do a little sale, we do a little sale to help everybody out. All right, so till August 18th is going to be a summer sale, guys, so jump on it, and we're going to make future announcements for these cars. Okay, also some of these cars will be also featured upcoming in TRC, so look out for that. Also this one, our K-swap Acne right here. If you guys didn't know, this truck didn't come with this motor. We dropped a K-swap in there, and now we drop a high compression K-swap with ITBs. I know you guys, this is not going to be in the giveaway. This is one of our good friends' personal cars. Not going to be in the giveaway, but for example, just showing you guys, we got 8 gen here, EG, 7-second EG. That's going to be, we got 4th gen, 5th gen prelude kits. So there's a lot of stuff going on. We also making, for the people that has the Honda Acne truck, a bolting kit, so you guys can, you know, bolt in your K-swap or your B series or whatnot. So in order for a lot of these R&Ds to take place, guys, it costs a lot of money, etc., etc. You guys know, some of you guys know that owns businesses already, how much it costs to do these things. And yeah, we don't mind shelling out the money, but sometimes, you know, it really costs a lot. So with that said, you know, be on the lookout for these giveaways, and we thank you guys for the years of support, and we're going to continue doing this no matter what. All right, so like and subscribe. TK out. S1BUILT. Also guys, before we forget, the Evo community and eventually the Subaru community, Driveshafts, we're going to be offering those. Actually, we already offer, we actually already make Driveshafts for the Evo community. Whether you want to stick to, if you want to stick to the 2-piece drive shaft, we know with no viscous coupler in the center, that's fine. You know, we made a couple, we send out a couple, great results. And we also make the drive shafts with the viscous coupler, which is actually, in our preference, it's actually better. A lot of guys are running the viscous on their Evo, you know, 8, 9, whatever car it is, you know, whatever Evo you have. If you run a viscous, it's actually better for you. You know, you can do your research on that, but we just want to let you know. Also, guys that just want an Evo replacement drive shaft, all 3-inch 1310 joints, really solid, good for over 1,000 horsepower. We have that on sale right now also with their summer sale. All right guys.